Before we get the car out, does anybody know how to fix one of these Ford keys? Look, you see, this is the original key and it's like plastic snap there. It's a shame, isn't it? Still works, still works. Go get the car out, it's been a while. This car is minging, honestly it needs a wash, but the main thing I want to do today, like a while ago I asked you fellas what I should spend my YouTube monetization stuff on, like the YouTube money I get. Everyone said get the Cosy tuned, so honestly I took it, well I tried to take it to Evo Tune in Durham, but the car started spluttering on the way, so we had to bring it back. We took the Subaru. If you want to watch a video I'll leave a link, but the main thing I want to do today is get this running right. I'm thinking it's the spark plugs. If it's not the spark plugs, I don't know what it'll be. But I haven't touched the car since it's been 2 months. We'll get working though, we'll get working. The car still runs right. It's just a bit spluttery when it comes into boost. This hasn't been started in about 2 months honestly. So to take the spark plugs out of the car, I need to take this strut brace off. There's only like 4 bolts, 4 17mm bolts. So that's it, there's 2 bolts this side, then there's 2 bolts that side where you are, so I'll do them. This toolbox is an absolute mess. I should really sort it out, like. I'm looking for my socket for my spark plugs, it's in here somewhere. Got it. We just need a 3/8 ratchet and extension. Ratchet. Spark plugs go quite deep on the Sierra. That should do it. Take the HT leads out, you see the numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4 obviously. These just pull out with a pop like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 out. 2, 3, 4. So what I'm about to do, right, you might think I'm fucking stupid in the head, but I was looking for something. So you might think I'm stupid in the head, right, but when I first got the car, it had a running issue, and I've done this and it's always worked. Now I have put new plugs in the car at certain points, but this works just as well. What I do is, right, I get the plug, and so what I do, right, is I get the plug, I give it a squirt with WD40, then I get a stiff bristled brush, get it right in there, give it a good clean, then I get my feeler gauge. Let us know if anyone else does this, or if it's just me. And what you do is you get your feeler gauge and you set the gap. I've always set mine to like 0.7. That one's alright. That one's alright. That one's alright. That one's alright. Now the next bit, right, you need to do when your girlfriend's not home. So what you do is you get your plugs, Get your plugs and come with me. So what I'm going to do is, I've came in our brand new kitchen and I'm going to put these Mantel spark plugs in our brand new oven. That's why I'm doing when Amy's not home. Gets quite smoky. We'll give them like 15-20 minutes just to burn the oil off. Starting to smell a bit. I'm going to make a coffee. If anyone wants a link to one of these hoodies, there's a link in the description. They've been in about 5 minutes. Give them another 10 minutes. You've got to leave them for about half an hour to cool down as well, because obviously they're red hot. They've just been in the oven. I might turn up a bit. I've done this like once or twice when Amy's in the house and she just gets onto us because it makes the oven minging and it stinks the house out. So I've put half a day in work to do this. Plus, the weather's getting better now, so I want to take the car out. I miss driving it. I've just been using the Subaru all the time. That's mint, that thing, like. If anyone's got like a cool car they want us to do a video review on, check out the link in the description. Go to my Instagram, drop us a message. Send us a picture and a brief spec. If you're local-ish, like, I'll come meet you, we'll do a video. It's good fun. By the way, also, my plans have gone in for the garage. I'm waiting to hear back from the council. Hopefully. I feel like it's too good to be true, me getting this garage. I've got a feeling it's not going to pass. But hopefully it's going to pass. Then we'll just get cracking straight away to build it. Let's have a look at these plugs, yeah. Making the band sweets. You got mad if she's seen us. How long have they been in? 10 minutes. Like I say, right, I might be way off for what I'm doing here, but this is something I've just always done and it's always worked for us. I think I'm going to take them out. I'll get some pliers to pick them up. Use a cereal bowl to put them in. Oh, you see that smoke? One set of spark plugs. You see the smoke coming off? Right, come in. Leave them there for 10 minutes to cool down. Cool down now, they've been out about 10 minutes. So we'll plop them back in, hope it works. I've left the strut brace off for now because we don't need it on, we're just going to see if it runs. But it will run. Look at that, man, it started mint there, didn't it? Let's take it for a drive, see if we fixed it. We'll let it warm up, then we'll give it some serious boost. Serious as you can get for stage 1, like, but we'll give it a bit of boost. Still not up to temperature. It takes quite a while to warm up this. This feels totally different to the Subaru. The Subaru comes on boost quick. This kind of just feels sluggish when it's off boost. Then it just flip and whack hits you. I like it. We'll take it down this road. This is like a 50 road. let the engine get up to temperature, then we'll give it some boost. Then I fixed it. I'm quietly confident. Might regret saying that, like, but at the minute I'm quietly confident. Right, it's up to temperature. Let's give it a go. I'm nervous now. I'm nervous. Been giving it all the big ones. I know what it is. Just be the spark plugs, man. Now I've got to try it. Oh, fingers crossed. I'll see. I've got butterflies in my belly. Give it some in second. Oh yeah. Right, get up, son. Fix it. Told you it would be the spark plugs. I told you it would be the spark plugs. I flipping tell ya. Tell ya. See, you doubted us, man. You doubted us. You ready? There we go, fellas. I'm going to have to leave you here. I need to go and pick the Ben up from school. But don't forget to subscribe and look after each other. And I'll see you on the next one.